Hello, hello. This is Linda Waterhouse from Linda Waterhouse Consulting, and I will be sharing a LinkedIn tip with you today. LinkedIn is a great way to replace face-to-face in these times. Although restrictions are being lifted, it's still a little scary to, be close to other people. So LinkedIn is the perfect way to still be able to meet other people. Today, we're going to be talking about why your customized URL is important. Now, many people aren't even aware that you can customize your URL. I will share my screen now and give you some examples. This person I found, and she obviously doesn't use LinkedIn very much because she only has 18 connections. So I suspect that she has not customized her URL. And the way you would find it, well, first you would see it in the address bar up here. So LinkedIn by default makes your URL your name and then a dash with some numbers and letters after it. And it works, but it just doesn't say, I know how to use LinkedIn. And in this very crowded world, we want to find ways to stand out. And other people who know LinkedIn, that is one of the things that's just a little bit of the subconscious, making it seem like, oh yes, you are somebody who knows how to use LinkedIn and you've done it. It's also a lot easier to tell other people if they want to find us. Oftentimes we're in a networking meeting and we're on, we're trying to look at each other on the phone. And most of us have names that there's multiple people with those names, and it's really hard when the faces are, this big to be able to tell who is who. So the customized URL makes it super easy. So besides the address bar, you can also go to the contact info. And here it looks like, she has not customized her URL. So I will show you how to do it. The first thing you need to do is to go to your profile. You do that by hitting the little mini me, the drop down and visit profile. And then right under that will be edit public profile and URL. So we click on that. And then they make it a little bit difficult. So your current URL will be here, and then we click on the pencil. And then you can only customize the last part. So the www.linkedin.com/in has to be there. Everybody's URL has that. And then as it says, you can have 3 to 100 letters or numbers. So what I suggest is first to look for your name. You never know if somebody hasn't, taken your name yet. So type your name in, and if you hit save, then LinkedIn will tell you whether it's been used or not. If it has been used, then some people like to add their middle initial, like here I am, Linda L. Waterhouse. Other people will add, another keyword. They'll add, fitness instructor or wellness or business coach or just coach to the end. So after you have created your URL, you click save. And I'm not going to change mine because I don't want to lose it. But when you go back then to your profile, it might not be refreshed right away. But usually, if you refresh your screen, then you will see pretty quickly that your URL has changed. So that is today's tip of the day. I hope that you go out and customize your URL to look like a LinkedIn expert. I invite you to visit my website, lindawaterhouse.com, for more free resources on how to look like an expert on LinkedIn. Thanks and have a great day.